Legends of Learning presents the Time's Up game. This is a math game that makes learning about telling time, writing time, and measuring time in minute intervals fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the grand digital clock is broken, and Gale is working hard to repair it. He needs your help to identify the last step to get the clock up and running.
Choose the clock that matches the statement.
In this game by Zapzapmath, students will tell and write time to the nearest minute, measure time intervals, and solve word problems involving addition and subtraction to get the right time.
Level 3.
This game will test your knowledge on reading and interpreting time. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop the right answers for telling time to check your ability to read the right time with the clock face in both digital and analog layout. Learn more about time in this game as you progress to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Next question. Choose the clock.
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.